Hi, I'm Maggie Lopez, and I just came in from Sacramento to here in Newport Beach, and I've had the pleasure of meeting Dr. Philip Yu and his wonderful, wonderful staff. They all work together as a family, and prior to this I had problems walking. I couldn't walk no more than 20 minutes. The appointment was set for a knee replacement. I had surgery for a torn meniscus on my right foot, and the left on my right knee. The left knee was wearing down so fast that was going to be next. Prior to this, I had an injury on my left side of my shoulder, car accident, and then I was having trouble because it was I was going downhill, so I was having trouble even moving this arm. I couldn't even move it past this on the left side. I had tennis elbow. The cuff here on my shoulder cuff was sore, swollen. I couldn't move this arm. Tennis elbow, carpal tunnel, and numbness of fingers on both hands. I was just a mess. And after 30 treatments, it was just an amazing recovery. I can't explain it. Just the staff is supportive. They're consistent with the laser, the
magnets,
the
Graston technique,
Graston technique, and the RICE, which is rest, ice, compression, and elevation. Doing that every day, it's a miracle. I mean, I went to a dance the other day, and I didn't even think about it, but my uncle and aunt said, "Come and dance with us." And I got up and danced.
salsa merengue.
I got up and danced.
Show us. How did you do it?
I went like this.
Yeah, and you couldn't do that before,
I
huh?
went like
Yeah.
this, and I couldn't do it, and I could not do this before.
Mm-hmm.
And my uncle said, "That's it for me. I had enough."
All right, have a seat.
But it was amazing.
And you also had some swelling in your lower legs, and what happened there?
I had swelling here, neuropathy in my legs. I had all my veins were exposed and bulging on my knees, and look how beautiful and smooth they are now.
Yeah, the varicose veins are kind of gone, aren't they?
The veins have gone. My legs are smooth. They were awful looking. Everything was swollen. My feet were swelling. I couldn't walk. I couldn't lift any more than 10 pounds. I was limited in my life. All our summer vacations, we'd go camping, go for walks. I stayed in the car, crying. So I feel like I have a new life.